In this video, you'll learn how to troubleshoot the issue of Phantom Wallet not connecting. This guide will take you through several steps to help resolve the connection problems effectively. To begin, refresh everything. Start by refreshing the website you are trying to connect to. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches. After refreshing, close the Phantom Wallet pop-up if it is open. Once closed, reopen the Phantom Wallet extension. After these steps, attempt to connect again to see if the issue persists. Next, check if your Phantom Wallet is locked. Click on the Phantom icon located in your browser's toolbar. If the wallet is locked, you will be prompted to enter your password. Input your password to unlock the wallet. Once unlocked, try connecting again to your desired site. Now, let's check the connected apps in Phantom. Open the Phantom Wallet and click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the settings menu, select connected apps. Here, you will see a list of websites that are connected to your wallet. If the website you are trying to access is listed, remove it from the connected apps. After removing, go back to the site and attempt to reconnect. It is also important to ensure you are on the correct network. If the website requires the Solana network, make sure it's active in your Phantom Wallet. Conversely, if the site needs the Ethereum network, switch to that network. At the top of the wallet interface, you can easily select the appropriate network. If the connection issue continues, try restarting your browser. Fully close your browser, whether it is Chrome, Brave, or Edge. After a brief moment, reopen the browser and attempt to connect to the site again. Another step is to check for updates for the Phantom Wallet. Navigate to your browser's extensions section, find Phantom and click on it. Look for an option that says check for updates. If an update is available, install it to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. If you have other wallet extensions installed, such as MetaMask, consider temporarily disabling them. Multiple wallet extensions can sometimes conflict with each other, causing connectivity issues. After disabling, try connecting with Phantom Wallet once more. Lastly, clearing your browser cache can help resolve persistent issues. Navigate to your browser settings, select privacy, and then choose clear browsing data. Once the cache is cleared, restart your browsing to apply the changes and attempt to connect again. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.